The KuKirin G2 is one of the most famous scooters from all over the world. It's famous for its reliability, speed, and the cheap €500 price tag, which makes it unquestionably the king of all budget e-scooters. But finally, KuKirin has launched a challenger for this legendary model, and that's the T3, which, with these specs right here, has a really big chance of finally dethroning the legendary KuKirin G2. We have the average crystallized salt, super dry, the great charger, which looks identical to a G2 charger. Is it a G2 charger?
No, not really. It's way higher quality.
It's pretty heavy for its small size, plus it has the classic waves. Try it on your hoodie. On your hoodie. It's a goodie. We have the black toolkit, I suppose. Yep, I was right. The fender, which looks exactly like a low poly fender. It's almost not rendered, you see?
Yeah.
Remove the plastic white snow, raise it. This is a completely new type of display from KuKirin. It's an LCD display, but it's really goddamn small. I don't know if you guys prefer like the G4 display and the G2, almost like a tablet, or the old G2 Master display. The handlebar looks really high quality, especially the handles.
Yeah, but you don't have electric horn.
KuKirin, you kinda cut corners here. Having a bicycle horn for a scooter that goes 50 kilometers per hour. So it's gonna be... Okay. Luckily it was inside the plastic white snow. And remember guys, you can always use the discount code to buy the T3. Oh wow, much lighter than I expected. Oh, it's on the G4. Oh, okay. No damage. This is the most beautifully designed scooter that I have ever seen. Plus, if you guys live in Romania and need insurance, right there it's a plaque with the insurance that makes it really easy to pay your taxes. Sadly. And powered on. This has really lively colors. You gotta give it to it. The M, I guess, is for the modes. Yep. And it also makes the track backing off sound. We have a big button for RGB.
Press once, short.
Oh, okay. The headlight has 4 LEDs, so it's pretty powerful. Better than a G4 and a G2.
Okay.
By far. There is no way that is the KuKirin.
Yep, there you go. KuKirin.
That looks amazing. KuKirin and wings. Oh wow, this is a gaming scooter.
Yep, very gaming.
Tell me this doesn't look like a face.
Yeah,
Literally, it blinks at you. Look at this. They're better than the G2 because it doesn't bounce you off. You see?
Yeah.
I just cannot get enough of this scooter at night. Look at how it. Just look at this design. So all we have to do now is to take this thing for a spin in a T3 ride out because you also have a T3. Also, we're gonna have a G2 in the ride out so we can compare them. We have a T3, another T3, a G2, and the G2. We're gonna take them to a big road where we can test them completely.
Bro, is that the road where we did like the G4 versus G2?
Exactly. There are 3 degrees outside. It is gonna get night and we don't want to get stuck in an open field at night.
Especially with these temperatures.
Exactly, plus the coyotes are gonna eat us. The initial acceleration on the T3 is pretty impressive. This thing has a bit of a kick.
Bro, what do you mean? This really has a kick.
Yeah, it's comparable to an M4 Max, you know. 29, 30, 33, 37. Come on, top speed on the T3. 44, 43. But I guess if you're gonna be lighter, you're gonna reach about 50 kilometers. It's exactly like a G2. And the handling on this feels really stable. This scooter is really well rounded. You gotta see also about the battery because it's a pretty long road and we're gonna do a lot of races on it. Oh, I'm dodging potholes. My city infrastructure, instead of getting better and better by the year, it's getting worse and worse. It's like after a bombardment. Come on, T3, come on, infinite speed, please, f***er. Up and down, up and down. What?
Potholes are insane.
Yeah, that's what I told them. The infrastructure is getting worse and worse by the year. I'm staying as close as I can near the edge, even though there are so many rocks. It's really annoying because drivers tend to push you right to the edge of the road, but the edge of the road is really badly built. Everything is so foggy and cold and sad in February. I want the sun to come outside. I haven't seen the sun in months. It's just rain, snow and fog. 3, 2, 1, go, come on! T3 versus 3T.
3T versus T3.
3T.
Okay, go.
Come on. How many kilos do you have? Huh? He just doesn't care. How many kilos do you have?
70?
70?
Yeah.
And I have 71. How are you faster than me?
I don't know.
No, wait. Stop. Completely stop. Wheels on the edge. Do you hear the dogs?
Yeah, bro.
I told you there are coyotes here.
We do a drag race.
3, 2, 1, go. You see? No! Bro, you're 1 kilogram lighter than me. It doesn't make no sense.
Oh my god, the dogs.
Where is the... oh, holy shit. There is a whole entire pack of dogs. There are road bandits. Holy. We've got even a hill to climb right here. 33, 26, 25. Regarding hill climbing capabilities, this lacks a bit of power, not gonna lie. It just doesn't want to go more than that. He is the Temu final boss, but he upgraded so many times that it just became unrecognizable.
Bro, I'm genuinely frozen.
You're frozen?
Holy f***, it's so cold.
I don't feel that frozen. I think it's from the fatness.
Look how eerie that is.
Yeah, Chernobyl. Looks amazing.
Yeah.
Can we go? Because there is a pack of dogs that is coming right now to us.
Yeah, oh fuck. We do have to run. Look at the water, it looks like a river.
Yeah, there was a lot of snow, you know, so it melted and now we have rivers and lakes everywhere.
Yeah.
This field looks like a World War I movie. If I would film this in black and white, couldn't even tell it is 2026.
My ball
Frozen in place.
gone.
We're gonna use the drone as a finish line, which also is gonna film us, pretty much.
Obstacle sensing unavailable.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. You ready for the race?
Yep.
Is your scooter ready?
Maybe. Dual battery G2, normal G2, T3, T3.
Are you guys ready for the race?
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, she's the lightest, so that's why. He is a little bit lighter than me and he's absolutely smoking the shit out of me. And the dual battery G2 with 5,000 kilometers is also smoking me and I'm just the last one. So she with the G2 came in first place, you came in second, and you came in third and I came in fourth.
Badass.
It's just not fair.
What if you take the T3 and I take her G2?
And we do a race?
Yeah, because I have the same kilograms as you almost.
You ready?
Born ready. 3, 2,
2, 1, go.
Oh, that's
Okay, initially you don't stand a chance. Okay, that's a really big difference. I won by a lot.
yeah.
I think the T3 is the new best budget e-scooter. It beat the legendary G2. It's clearly.
The T3 is better.
Wanna do it again?
Yeah.
One go, come on.
Yeah, bro, there is no
Yeah,
way.
no. Acceleration on the T3, it's absolutely insane compared to the G2. Alright, let's go. Photo shoot over.
Yeah.
It's way too cold. We still sit at 47 volts while accelerating. Downhill test on the T3. 41, 43, 433. I think the scooter is capped at 43 for me. It will not go over 43. 44! I was wrong! How are you doing?
Aren't you cold?
A little bit. The cold kinda got to me too.
I'm gonna have frostbite.
Nah, no way you get frostbite.
Frostbite.
It's not under 0 degrees. You cannot get frostbites theoretically. So we didn't expect to be that cold in the field. Like, it's much worse than in the city. I'm not gonna even comment on that. Shit. Ooh. The only thing bad about this scooter are those brakes because I'm braking like a train. No, I don't think it's a good idea. Throttle it, bratan! Go straight ahead. Oh, no, not in the Golf. Can you appreciate how bad the brakes are on this scooter?
Oh, they're horrible.
They're the worst brakes I have ever seen on a
The
scooter.
brakes are absolutely insane.
Maybe they need adjusting or something, but
I don't
insane.
think adjustment would save them.
Oh, I think I'm on orange. That's it. 2 lines left. I don't know how much this scooter can even ride anymore. Like, we have 18 kilometers already. I suppose that this scooter can do about 25 kilometers in this weather scenario. It's pretty good. In conclusion, is it worth to buy the new T3? And I know I have been saying to many scooters that they are worth it. This one, especially this one, for the design and the build quality is the best from Kukirin in the 500 euro budget. I'm also sorry for the video being a little short. The days here are also a little bit short and the weather is always short this year. So thank you guys so much for watching until the end. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you subscribe. See you the next time.
Yes.